Want to change the default browser or another default app on Android? I will show you the exact menu used for web links, calls, messages, the home screen, and the digital assistant. Start on the home screen, swipe up to open your app screen, find Settings, and tap it. In Settings, scroll down and tap Apps. At the top of the Apps page, tap Choose Default Apps. This page controls which installed app Android automatically uses for common actions, so you do not have to choose an app every time you open a link, make a call, or send a message. To check the web browser, tap Browser App. Android displays every installed app that can handle web links. Tap the browser you want to make it the default. On this phone, Chrome is the installed browser, and the blue selection circle confirms it is already the current default. Go back when finished. The same page includes Digital Assistant app, Home app, Phone app, and SMS app. Open the category you want, then select from the compatible apps installed on your phone. If only one choice appears, Android has no alternative available for that category until another compatible app is installed. Opening links is related, but different. It controls whether supported links open directly inside matching apps instead of always going through the browser. Use Browser app for the general web browser. Use Phone app for calls, SMS app for texts, and Home app for the launcher that appears when you press Home. Here is the complete path again. Open Settings, scroll to Apps, and tap Choose Default Apps. Select Browser app to choose the browser used for web links. Use Phone app, SMS app, Home app, or Digital Assistant app for those specific actions. Android only lists compatible apps that are actually installed, so install an alternative first if the category has one choice. Review: opening links when a specific website keeps opening in the wrong app. No app needs to be uninstalled, and you can return here whenever you want to switch back. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more Android guides.